Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I don't even know where to look. um, so it's Christmas Day. You know, I'm busy with all my presents that I got, and one of them, we got some new ambient lights for the car. So definitely in the house trying to get that together. Got the door off right now, so I'm about to put that on. All right, so here's the kit. I got it on Amazon. Again, as usual, I'll leave a link in the description for it. I'm actually, I mean, I can't be too mad. It's a gift, but I'm upset because I mean, I requested this, and so I know exactly what I wanted. It was, so what it is we have these fiber optic lines that will go along the doors and the dash trim. Then there's 4 of these floor lights, which I don't need at all, but I've been doing a lot with my trunk with the amp and my setup back there. So what I think I'm gonna do is these are just gonna be my ambient lights in the trunk. And then these go in the doors. The reason why I'm upset is because I was under the impression they have these kits and they're hard to find. You can find them on eBay, but they're hard to find on Amazon, and I thought I finally found one. But these, they're supposed to come with these 4 door light strips, and then also a door, what do you call it, like the bin. Well, let me grab my door. So basically, there's supposed to be another light that goes down in there, so that lights up. And this kit didn't come with that. So kind of bummed out about that, but like I said, it's a gift. I'm appreciative of that. Also, the thing is when you look on Amazon and you look for these ambient door kits or dash kits, whatever you want to call them, most of them, like 95% of them, are not wireless like this. So this actually, what will happen is I'll tap into the door, one of the door harnesses for a live wire, and that will power it. Most of them are not like that. Most of them all connect to one brain or whatever you want to call it, this piece, but basically this goes off of Bluetooth or some type of wireless communication that they all work together. So I was happy about that because I can imagine doing the other ones, trying to go through the grommet of the OEM and stuff, trying to wire that all up. That just sounds like a pain. But yeah, this is the kit, so I'm gonna start getting this together. This is why you this is why you make sure that you don't cover anything important when you do your sound deadening. Because I covered screws for the trim. I didn't even realize. Well, I did realize, but I wasn't thinking that happened to them, which was dumb. But lesson learned. Good thing about sound deadener, you can just put it right back down. It's not gonna be as good though. I put my All right, so now we gotta figure out how we're gonna lay this. I saw somebody do it on YouTube where they actually did it up above and it looked pretty well. I guess it didn't sit too well with this. So let's see. Okay. So I guess I have to cut my own. I didn't realize that. All right. Which is fine. So you got this tubing, but you also have to stick this in there. And it just slides in there, so, yeah. Let's see how we're gonna do this. So what I found is that you actually don't have to, for my car at least, unscrew all of these all the way. You just get two of them, just enough to get this through, this wire through, that you could pull it through. It's not really necessary to pull it all the way off, your trim all the way off. Now I may have to do some type of adhesive. We'll see how this lasts over time. Because it is a little loose. I already tested one door. It does look good. Kind of sucks. It kind of loses its thunder as it comes out. So it's not super bright, but it looks good. Another thing that I found out is these right here, they made it real convenient because all you do is slide it in with the pins. This door doesn't have it, but for example, my front door, as soon as you find your, you'll have to grab a multimeter. But as soon as you find your ground and your 12 volt, pull this out. You honestly just, they made it so it could just go right in with the pins. This is just like a normal pin, so it just slides in there with both of them, which I thought was really, really convenient. Especially my front door, since they have the harness on the door already, that makes it easier. Kind of sucks with my back door because my back door doesn't have that. You have to plug, the harnesses are on the actual door and you have to plug them in here. But that's okay. It's not a major deal. probably what I will do is get some double-sided tape as well, or some Velcro, and this is not gonna work. We have to cut this. Some Velcro and stick these little things like right here or something. I don't know. We'll figure out something. Oh, where's my roller? Okay, so just a little update. I've gotten it all on here, wrapped all up around and down to there. Here's the side doors. Let me turn off my flash. And then this back one died. Well, it didn't die, but I'm sure it fell out of where I had it hooked up. The power did. So one thing that sucks is it's falling out. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna get some probably double-sided tape because I don't want to glue them in there, and they're not staying very well. Up here is not as bad. It's not bad right here. It's not so bad on the dash. We have a little bit of like bacon, I guess, response. Looks like bacon strips. It sticks out right here, which is gonna aggravate me, but I'm thinking about cutting the outer layer a little bit on each side so it kind of goes in easier. So one thing that I found is you don't have to take the trim off all the way. This one I had to take off all the way because I actually had to drill behind here to get the wires through here, and then they go to here. My biggest pain right now is on my driver's side. Of course, my side is coming out so much. So like I said, to remedy that, I think I'm gonna get double-sided tape and try to fix it that way. But it's looking pretty cool. It does get a lot dimmer. You see the point right there, that's where the exit point, so it's super bright right there. And then I think also because of the bend, it may lose some light, but it gets dimmer as it goes down, but it still looks good. And you know, I got my floor light to match it, my star lights to match it and stuff. So I mean, it looks cool, but especially once you see the dash, it exits right here, like I said, and then it goes over to my driver's side and it gets like super dim over there. But oh well.